Hey everyone, welcome back. All right, let me ask you a question. Do you like waffles? Do you like plain waffles? I don't like plain waffles. I like to take my waffles to the next level. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make my waffles. I hope you enjoy. All right, guys, so we're going to have everything set up here. I got a bowl. I have my Bisquick mix here, and it calls for 2 cups of Bisquick and 1 cup of milk. Now, what's really funny about this is my niece, when she was a baby, when she was growing up a baby, she'd come over for Thanksgiving dinner or something, and she didn't like turkey. And she would always look at me and go, "Uncle David, can you make me waffles or pancakes?" Always, it was usually waffles. She loved my waffles. And this is why. I got 2 cups of waffle mix. I have 1 cup of milk. Like that. And then Vermont maple syrup. You're going to take a little bit of that, not much, maybe about 1/4 teaspoon, just enough to give a little bit of flavor. About perfect. That's just going to really richen it up a lot. And of course, I have here some cinnamon and brown sugar. Just sprinkle that in there. Again, about 1/4 teaspoon. And then, this is optional, guys, but some vanilla extract. Same thing, about 1/4 teaspoon, not much. Like that. And I'll tell you, man, they come out delicious. All right, you're going to need 2 cackleberries. Make sure you try to keep the shells out of there. Mix it through. All right, mix it like that. Now, while this is mixing through, before you get it all the way through, you want to go ahead and get your waffle maker plugged in and let that heat up. I'm going to keep it at setting 2 for right now. While this is done, here's why my waffles are the best. Bacon. Crumble it up. Crispy bacon. Crumble it up. Get it in there. Don't worry about it. I'm telling you guys, this is so good. You'll be having this for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And I know because my mom loves it for dinner. Don't you, Ma?
Yes, I do.
But
and lots of syrup.
And lots of syrup, exactly. Like I say, guys, my niece, to this day, she still, when she comes over to visit, "Uncle David, can you make me some waffles?" And of course, I'm like a big teddy bear when it comes to her, and I'll, okay. All right, guys, that's all nice and incorporated. It's going to be so good. Now I'm going to leave a little bit of the bacon behind. If we need more, we can always put more in it. You want to get yourself some spray here, some just regular cooking spray. Spray it on there like that. You're going to wait until that green light comes on. As soon as that green light pops on, you're going to start loading it up. Alrighty, so our waffle maker has come up to temperature. You're going to need a 1/4 cup measure and just scoop it in there like that. Make sure you spray the waffle maker and just plop them right on in. And hand me a spoon there. I can stir the rest of it out. Thank you. All right. Now, do is you're going to close it. Give it a minute and flip it. And that's it. When it's ready, the little green light will come on and we got some delicious goodness. Back in a minute. Hey guys, while this is cooking, I want to ask you a question. Do me a favor. Leave a comment down below. What is your favorite breakfast style? What do you like to eat for breakfast? And also, too, what do you want to see next on my videos? Do you want to see more breakfast videos? Do you want to see more dinner videos? Leave me a comment down below. Let me know. I'd really appreciate it. All right, that little green light has come on, so we'll go ahead and flip this back. The other way, David. Pop this open. Oh, yeah. Oh, guys, I wish you could smell this. You smell that brown sugar. You smell that maple syrup, that vanilla. Oh, look at those waffles. They look so good. And you can see, look at all the bits of bacon in there. Look at all the bits of bacon. Oh, here comes my little taste tester. She wants to try, see what it's like. So I'm going to break off a piece from my taste tester here. Blow on it a little bit. Here's my little taste tester here. Yeah? Want to try some? Oh, yeah. See that? Kid tested, dog approved. My little shadow girl. Anyhow, guys, like I said, maple syrup, brown sugar, bacon, delicious. She's still waiting for more. That was good, Dad. Can I have some more? Uh-oh. Got a little bit of spillage coming out. That's why you had those little trays down here. So if you're a goofball like me and you put too much in there, the tray's going to catch it. All right. Guys, do you like butter on your waffles, or do you just like maple syrup? Leave a comment down below. What do you like on your waffles? I love a little bit of butter in mine. And of course, Mom's already got her fork out and the knife out because she wants to try a taste of this. And I don't rightly blame her because they look pretty damn good. But big old manly bite. Oh, yeah. All right. We're going to break off a piece for Mom and get her opinion on how we did. And Mom likes her syrup, so I'm going to make sure this one's extra syrupy. Alrighty.
Delicious, David.
All right, there you have it. Son made, Mom approved. All right, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please do me a favor, like, subscribe, and share us with your friends. But until next time, as always, God bless and happy eats.